What's up guys, it's Ben Barbert here today, and today I'm taking Simba for a walk. This is vlog number 1. I want to go to another series of mine. Look, I'm taking Simba for a walk. Sims! Taking Simba for a walk with vlog number 1. Yeah, vlog number 1. So yeah, quick little vlog. She's running to get the cats. Can you see there's one of the cats? Sims, you're not allowed the cats. Let's go then, Sims. So this is just going to be a daily thing. Not a bit too big really, but there's obviously there's going to be another vlog up tomorrow as well, which we're going painting to. So yeah, Simba, Sims, got anything to say? Oh, goodbye, peace, see you tomorrow.